In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up PDF invoices and packing slips in WooCommerce. We'll be going through the full setup process, from installing the right plugin to generating documents for customer orders. This is a useful workflow if you want to send professional invoices automatically and create packing slips for shipments without doing everything manually. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage your store settings, plugins, and orders. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Plugins area and install a WooCommerce PDF invoice and packing slip plugin. There are several options available, but the setup process is generally very similar. After the plugin finishes installing, activate it so it becomes available in your store. Once the plugin is active, open its settings page. This is where you'll customize how your invoice documents look and what information they include. Take a few minutes here to add your business details, such as your business name, address, logo, and the invoice information you want displayed on each document. This is important because it helps keep your invoices clear, professional, and consistent with your brand. Next, configure the invoice numbering. Most businesses prefer invoices to follow a clean numbering sequence so they're easier to track and organize later. Depending on the plugin, you may be able to choose a starting number, add prefixes, or control the overall invoice format. Make sure the numbering style matches the way you want to manage your records. After that, choose which WooCommerce emails should automatically include invoices. For example, you may want the invoice to be attached to order confirmation emails or completed order emails. This automation saves time and ensures customers receive the right document without you needing to send it manually each time. Now let's look at how to use the documents on an actual order. Open a customer order from your WooCommerce orders page. Inside the order details, you should now see options to generate or download a PDF invoice. This is helpful if you need to review the document, save a copy, or send it directly to the customer. When you're preparing a shipment, generate the packing slip as well. Packing slips are especially useful for making sure the correct items are included in the package and for helping your fulfillment process stay organized. Finally, print or email the documents whenever needed. You might print the packing slip for the box and email the invoice to the customer, or download both for your records. Once this is set up, your store's document workflow becomes much faster and more professional.